Hey, this is Mario from Perris Auto Repair Center, and we're here with our marketing guy. He's got a DeSoto we're about to work on, do some stuff to it.
The last video we did, we drove around, and my wife wants to make this a daily driver. So trusting the shop, I want to bring it in, leave it with them, figure out head to toe what needs to be done. So the body obviously is the body, even though that's been restored and painted. It's got a small block GM in it. It's got a 480 LE transmission in it, automatic. So it runs good, which I think everybody got to see in the last video, but there's just things. The shifter, it doesn't match. So this has reverse, neutral, overdrive, drive, L1, L2, right? So the cluster, the gauge, whatever, the letters are wrong. So it sits in park, and it's in drive in L2.
Okay, all right.
So whatever's going on there, it's very hard to shift too. Old tires.
Yeah, tires are cracked.
Super dry.
So see those,
replacing those,
really bad.
Keeping the clean white walls though, right? I don't know if the alternator is good. I think it is. I put a meter on the back.
Okay.
And it was at idle, it was 12-ish or whatever, right? And then at acceleration, it was 14 or whatever. Which
it shouldn't be like really in 12s. It should be like maybe 13 and above.
the gauge inside, I think, is off by a couple.
Okay.
When I'm accelerating, it says 12. So
Okay.
either that's right, and it's not charging, and that's the problem.
I mean,
or
hopefully that's not right, because if that's the case, it's too low.
And then the other one is the power steering pump. I don't know if it's going out. It's getting really tight at times. I've filled it a couple times.
Okay.
And when I looked in there, the fluid was dark.
Okay.
So I don't know if it's cooking it or if there's something going on.
So the only thing that can burn oil is the engine oil. So if it's not burning it, then it's leaking it somewhere. It's not gonna just lose it.
Okay.
You could have a pump going out, but you wouldn't be topping it off if that's the case. So if it's going low, then there's a leak somewhere.
I did the front shock.
Okay.
When I got it, there's literally like a bushing out in one of them. I like to be a little stiffer in the corners, a little safer in that respect, I think.
Okay. The shocks won't affect the ride height. The shocks are just gonna affect the dampening. Ride height is only affected by the coils or the springs.
That's the leaks in the back.
Yeah.
Just to recap again, we've got shifter, the brakes huge, right?
Okay.
Them stopping consistently. Coolie, right? It seems to be okay normally, but the thermostat thing sounds like a great idea.
Now that we spoke with Austin, he's dropping off the car. We're gonna give him a rundown, speak about what we wanna get taken care of. And from there, we'll start checking things and we'll include a 58-point inspection. We'll go through everything, and that way he has a good idea of everything before he makes any decisions. And we'll help him choose more important things versus less important things. And that way it's a guided decision. We're trying to make the money accurately spent and understood when it's spent.